morning, guys. May 28, 2021. This one here I got a call from a guy. He says he's got a leak in the wall in the shower wall. When he runs the shower, there's water leaking downstairs through his ceiling. He seems to think that it might be a shower arm coming out of the wall. Either that or a diverter. I think it's a Simmons valve. So it's either the lower volume control, or it's the shower arm or something broke off in the wall of the drain or whatever. But we're going over there now and see if we can figure it out. We'll take the plate off.
Turn right on Old West Fort Road.
Take the handle and the plate off, and then we'll turn it on and look in there and see what's leaking off. Feel the shower arm, see if it's broken. They asked me, sometimes they put a lot of these, they got one of these hangers they put on there and put all kinds of bottles of shampoo. I mean, that's really a dumb idea because that shower arm's very thin. But he said he don't do that.
In 2 3/4 miles, turn left on Fisher Road.
We're on our way over there now. Me and Miss Molly are working again, y'all. Oh man, we're working again, Miss Molly. Miss Molly, we're working again. We love working. Miss Molly, you love working. Well, we see
He determined it was right up there.
Yeah, that seems a little loosey-goosey there, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, we don't hang things on it other than what you see.
You don't, but yeah, it does seem kind of low.
But actually, when you move things around to adjust the spray, you might be...
I'll take it out and check it.
Okay.
We're going to take this handle off and look at that, too. Is it a big flood?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah. They say if you're vaccinated, you're probably not going to get it, so...
No, even if by some small chance you did get it, they say it's not going to be so bad. It's not going to put you in the hospital or kill you.
I'm kind of really about done with these flipping masks, to be honest with you.
Oh, everybody is.
It's really I about had it. This thing's kind of really in tough shape.
What, the valve?
Well, the cover.
Oh, the cover, yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Like
see,
I said,
this is all really wet right here. Yeah, this is soaked.
yeah, probably, maybe could have run down the pipes to the valve.
Well, let's take the cover off and let's just...
Yeah, that thing's been there since we built the house in 1990.
So it only leaks when you run it.
Yeah, that's what happened yesterday. I mean, it hadn't leaked until then, at least not that I've noticed. I got in yesterday after working in the yard and I took a shower and I'm going like, why haven't I got much water pressure? It wasn't doing much. So I got done, and then later on in the day.
Yeah, this thing's just kind of flopping in the wind here.
Is it?
Yeah, this was all wet.
Well, I don't want to hang over your shoulders, so I'll let you do what you gotta do. How's that? Unless you want to ask me questions.
See nothing leaking here, unless it's leaking like you said on that shower head, which is possible.
Well, that's what happened the last time.
All right, let me try taking it apart and see what's going on with that.
Okay.
It could be the drain. I'm stepping in this drain and it's kind of flopping in the wind. It's loose.
Yeah. I kind of doubt it's the drain. Might be that.
Well, let's take it out and let's take a look at it. How's that sound? We'll be able to tell if it's broken or not.
I'm not a plumber though. I used to be a carpenter, but I'm not a plumber.
You one of them guys who are gonna tell me how to do my job?
Nope.
Got a lot of them.
That's why I call a plumber.
Got a lot of them guys. Weekend warriors. They call me to fix it, and then they want to tell me how to do it.
Nope, I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'll let you figure out what it is.
Yeah, there we go. That could be it right there. See the hole in it? It's got a flipping hole in it, guy.
There's a hole?
Yeah, look at that. I could stick my finger right in there. Son of a gun.
Oh, you mean the pipe rotted?
Look at that. It's a flipping hole in there. See it?
Oh yeah.
And then this is coming loose. You can see daylight in there. Look at that, it's cracked. Now, and she don't put nothing on there to put soap and stuff like that?
We don't do any of that. All it's got hanging on it is what you see. This gizmo with the hose.
Look at that.
See that? Oh shit, no wonder.
Look through it, you can see daylight.
Yep. Well, you're the expert, but I guess that's a good place to start.
I think that's it right there. That's an easy fix.
Well, that's a good thing.
Do you want more,
Oh, I know.
look at all the shit that was in there.
Crap. It's got extra restriction.
Yeah, it's gonna flow good now. Probably don't even need that thing.
No?
You want more flow?
That's fine, I don't need it in there.
You want more flow or not?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Take it the hell out of there and give you more how you doing, right?
Yep.
Everything now is made in China.
I know.
Even the Wuhan virus, made in China.
Seems that way. Everything.
Everything's made in China. Yeehaw. Yeah, that thing was definitely broken. It's kind of weird how it blew a hole in the side like that. Usually the threads break off.
Yeah? Well,
It's been my experience.
probably would have broken off a little bit, not in too long a
A
while.
lot of times what happens is people hang like a basket on here to hang their shampoo and all that stuff.
I know, a shower caddy.
Yeah, shower caddy. That's what happens a lot with these. Hopefully I can catch it. Hang a shower caddy on there and yeah, see, it's more secure now. It seems like she's still kind of flopping in the wind. That's one of my favorite sayings. She's flopping in the wind.
Yeah, I get sediment and stuff that comes through my lines. Probably have a filter in there somewhere. Every once in a while I have to clean out the screens and the faucets.
Yeah, you got a well?
Yes, I have a well.
That's why.
I should probably have a filter on it when it comes.
Yeah, I don't want to worry about it. I mean, it'd be so off they'd take the stuff apart and give it a cleaning, right?
That's what I do. The hoses
Yeah, it's
on the
not
washing machine, the faucet screens, take them out, clean them off. Put them.
It ain't rocket science. We took that filter out of there to give you, gonna get more flow.
Okay.
Why not, right?
Why not? Like I said, I don't have a meter, I got a well, so. Only thing it costs me is the electricity to pump it up.
Yeah, it's nice to have a little bit more spray action. It's always good to take it apart and make sure that, you know, nothing's leaking in the valve itself, you know. Yeah, I'm kind of glad you're not hanging a caddy on here with all kinds of soap and shampoo and conditioner and soap on a rope and all this different stuff. And next thing you know, it puts a lot of weight on there.
No, as you can see, it's all over your shoulder on the door side.
We'll put all this stuff right back the way it was, and
Okay.
that should take care of it.
Back.
Yeah, he was in Hawaii. I don't know why the hell he left there.
I think they had to do something with the church or something. He was going there to teach something, I don't know.
Oh, really?
That's what I heard. I think that's what he told me at the time. That's been a while, I don't really know. Then he came back. Went back in the plumbing business again.
Oh, so maybe he was a minister. Took that out. I should give him more. That was all dirty. See the. You can see the daylight right through that thing. You can see how it's peeling off the edge.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's definitely
It was rotting.
not good. Let's see if we got more flow now. Oh yeah. We get more flow out of the shower now. How you like that?
Oh yeah, yesterday it wasn't coming out like that.
Yeah, that should take care of it, guy. And this is all, tighten this handle back up.
Okay.
They don't even have to worry about the...
I never touch it.
Yeah, because that's just a, you move it slows it down.
You probably do more damage.